Hi guys. I said, oh my goodness, let me come out here and see what we see. Well, let's see where we are out here. Where? Where? We are out in the ocean. Let's take a walk around and see where we are. We'll come back over around to the sun. Nice. Nice. Here we are. Look at those clouds shining off the sun. Or, well, the sun shining off the clouds. Oh, look at those clouds. No rain in those here, though. Just darkness. Come on. These will move. Like the boat's moving. I'll just stand back here. Zoom in a little bit. So pretty. So nice. And there it went. Okay, guys. See you later. Bye, everybody.